Hello my dear friends! Today I want to teach you how to do the seed stitch. So this is called the seed stitch. It's a very easy but lovely beginner level stitch. So you can use it very easily on your projects. Let me show you how to do it. So as you can see, this is basically one purl stitch and one knit stitch. One purl, one knit, all the way long. One purl, and this is actually a knit, one knit. But how come it doesn't turn out to be like the rib stitch, which is also one purl, one knit? Because when we're doing this, we do the opposite as we see. We see a purl, we do a knit stitch on it. We see a knit stitch, we do a purl on it. Let me show you. As you know, I don't knit or purl the first one. So what is this? This is a knit stitch. So I will do a purl on it. So I have a purl stitch, so I will take my yarn at the back and I'll do a knit stitch on it. I will do the same all pattern long. So this is a knit stitch, so I'll take the yarn at the front and I will do a purl. I have a purl and I will do a knit. Actually, you don't have to check each time because it will be one purl, one knit, but let's check. So there is a knit stitch, so I will do a purl. I have the yarn at the front. Here I have a purl, I prepare for a knit and I do a knit. Here I have a knit, so I do a purl. So this is how you form the seed stitch. Quite easy, and I think it's a lovely pattern. It has a lot of texture. I really like using it. I'm recently using it at the borders of a baby blanket. So perhaps you might find it difficult, or not, it's not difficult, but perhaps you might get confused on how to start it. So I'll show you that as well. So let me show you the beginning of seed stitch as well. I have cast on 8 loops and I will start doing one knit and one purl. One knit and one purl. One knit and one purl. Up. And the final purl. Now when I turn back, I start doing what I have just shown you on this piece. Whatever I see, I will do the opposite. And that's what I'm going to do throughout all the pattern. This is called one row repeat, so it's all repeated all the same in all rows. So let's start doing the second row. I'll just transfer the first one. This is a purl, so I will knit it. This is a knit, so I'll purl it. Just do the exact opposite. This is a purl and I will knit it. This is this simple. So if you want to have straight edges like I have here, you can watch a very small tutorial that I have made. I'll put a link. It's nothing difficult, it's just really easy, but by following that you will have quite nice edges. So what I have next, I have a knit, so I'm going to purl. I have a purl and I'm going to knit. So if I keep on doing more rows, I'll get the similar look. So you just do one purl, one knit in the beginning row, and in the following rows you just do the opposite. That's how you do seed stitch. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment below. Thank you. Bye.